Let us do question number 5 now. Working note number 1, basic data. Every question, my dear friends, you have to start with basic data. Given USD bar INR is 48.3. So I'll write down over here. It's given in capital letters, friends. So you have to write it the other way around. Rupee bar dollar is how much? 48.30. Everybody clear? GBP bar INR is nothing but rupee bar pound. Rupee bar pound is equal to 77.52. Friends, this is actually a study material question. GBP bar USD, that is nothing but dollar bar pound, is turning out to be how much? 1.6231. Now they're asking what is the profit on a 3-point arbitrage starting with USD 10 million. So they've given in millions. This is $10 million is there. Okay, so what they're going to do is we will convert this dollar first into rupee. That is the first thing over here. So when you convert at rupee, that is at 48.3, 10 million into 48.3 will be what? It will be 483 million rupees. Correct? After you do that, that rupee I'll convert into pound. I'll convert into pound at 77.52 rupee bar pound. So 483 divided by 77.52 pound will be equal to 6230650. I think it is 6,230,650 pounds. Now from this pound, what they will do is they will convert this pound into what? Again, they will convert into dollar using what? 1.6231. So this is dollar bar pound. So I believe we'll have to multiply into 1.6231. So I'll get the number as 10,112,968. Did you see this, friends? Without they doing anything, they are actually making a profit over here. They make a profit of 1,12,968 dollars. This is the arbitrage profit. Shall we check the answer over here? Profit of 1 minute. 1,12,968. This is the right answer. I hope you are clear with this question also, friends. Thank you so much.